Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, you guessed it, today I got my box from Jeffree Star. This is the Supreme. It was the biggest one. I couldn't wait. I just got it today and I just want to unbox it for you. So why don't we go ahead and get started? And oh my God, look. Oh, how cute this is. Okay, we got that. We've got the Blue Blood palette, amazing. We've got the Brain Freeze Pro palette. And what else do we have here? We've got a lip scrub. All right, and let's keep going. So we've got the Brain Freeze. We've got the Blue Blood. Oh my gosh, he outdid himself. And as we keep looking, the gloss, this one is in Ice Cold. We've got liquid lipstick restraints. Okay. We've got liquid lipstick Romeo. See that? Okay. What else do we have? We have mistletoe, liquid lipstick. We've got the gloss in Soft Core Sparkle. Interesting. And we've got the Pop Grip for your phone. And I see here no other than, oh my goodness, the mirror. The mirror. Guys, just look at this. The Blue Blood palette. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. He really outdid himself. I can't believe he included that. He also included this beautiful little fanny pack. Very cute. I love it. I love it. And look at this. Oh my God. Look how big that is. That is the Jeffree Star approved mirror. Oh my goodness, I hope you all got your boxes. These boxes were fantastic. Thank you, Jeffree.